Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the font in Telegram. If you're someone who spends a lot of time chatting or working in Telegram, personalizing your font can make your experience feel fresh and comfortable and even help with readability. By the end of this video, you'll know how to explore all the different fonts Telegram offers and switch to the one that fits your style best. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Telegram app and navigate to the settings. Now, depending on whether you're using Telegram on your phone or your desktop, the settings might look slightly different, but the process is very similar across devices. Usually, you'll find the settings button as a gear icon somewhere in the corner. Go ahead and tap on that, don't worry if you need a moment to find it. Sometimes these icons can be a little sneaky. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option called Chat Settings. This is where Telegram stores all the customization tools for your chat experience. You might see options for changing the background, adjusting emoji sizes, but what we're looking for is the font family. So in chat settings, scroll down until you see something about theme settings or perhaps just a section labeled font family. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling a little further. Sometimes theme and font options are nested together or towards the bottom of the menu. If you feel a bit lost, just take your time, you won't break anything by exploring different tabs. Now, once you locate the font family option in the theme settings, you'll probably see the word default listed there. This just means Telegram is using its standard font right now. Tap or click on default. At this point, a pop-up window should appear listing all the fonts currently available in Telegram. You might see a few familiar names or some styles you've never tried before. Telegram does update their options now and then. This part is a bit like trying out different pairs of glasses. Each font gives the chat a new vibe. Some fonts are light and minimal, others are bold and playful. Don't be afraid to click through and preview a few just to see which suits you. When you found a font that you like, simply tap on it to select. Telegram will apply it right away, so you can instantly see how your chats look with the new style. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and pick a different font just as easily. There's no limit. And just a quick note, changing the font only affects how messages appear to you on your device. It won't change how your messages look to your friends, and that's all there is to it. You've now customized your Telegram experience with a new font, something small, but it can really make a difference in how much you enjoy using the app every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or want recommendations for which fonts look best. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Telegram tips and other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.